Hello everyone, welcome to PW Manager. This is a no-key cross-chain wallet and portfolio manager application built on the internet computer. And so this demo showcases the core features that the application offers to its users. To begin with, log in with your internet identity on the internet computer, blockchain. The login page loads up the internet identity where you have to select your anchor that connects you to the application. Let's wait for it to load. So this is the dashboard that the application brings, and so currently it supports 3 networks: the Bitcoin, the internet computer, and also the Ethereum networks. And so the first demo, we shall look at how you can send Bitcoin on the Bitcoin testnet network using the application, and it's very easy to carry out. To do that, all you need is, of course, you need to have some Bitcoin in your wallet and also the address of the user. And so you just click on the Bitcoin card, and so it loads up the Bitcoin page. Here it will provide you with your Bitcoin address, and so you can use it to send and receive Bitcoin. I already have some testnet Bitcoin in my wallet, and so all I have to do is click on send BTC, and then model will come up, and then I have to put my address where I want to send the Bitcoin and also specify the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send, and then I will just click send, and then the rest is history. We have to wait for it to load and send Bitcoin. And so I've selected 0.0034, and let's wait for it to load. It will take some time, but then at the end you will see a success model that comes up showing the transaction has been successfully sent. And so to view the previous transactions that we've sent, all we have to do is copy the address, and then we will go to the Bitcoin testnet explorer and then paste in our address, and then we shall see all the transactions that have been taking place in our wallet address. And so as it loads, so here is the testnet address, the details, and just, as you can see, this is the transactions that we've initiated from our wallet in the platform. As you can see, it's not yet confirmed, and so as time goes on, more confirmations will come in, and the recipient will receive their Bitcoin. The application allows you to also mint CKBTC. So what that basically means is that you can convert your Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network into CKBTC on the internet computer network, and then also redeeming Bitcoin. Redeeming Bitcoin means you can convert CKBTC back to Bitcoin. And so this is the address. If you want to convert your Bitcoin to CKBTC, you have to deposit a Bitcoin on this address, and then after a while CKBTC will be automatically minted and deposited into your account. The application allows you to also convert CKBTC back to Bitcoin, and all you have to do is you're provided with a CKBTC account where you have to deposit the CKBTC, and then it will be converted to Bitcoin. So let's copy the account, and then we go back to home, and then we shall deposit some CKBTC from our wallet that was created for us on the internet computer. And so if I click on the internet computer card, you see that I have a primary account. So this account can be used to send and receive any token on the internet computer blockchain, and so you don't need a private key. It's automatically catered for. I will first check my balance, the amount of CKBTC that I have, and as you can see, I have 0.900 something, CKBTC, and so I will send some CKBTC to the address that we copied from our Bitcoin site. And so I have pasted it here. I have to select CKBTC and then the amount. So let me see. So I will send around 0.0 something. How much can I send? Anyway, let's do 0.04 and then just click on send, and then we'll see some notifications like transferring amount, transfer successful, and then we will have to go back and check if really the Bitcoin, the CKBTC was received and in our account. And yeah, let's wait for it to load. And once it has loaded, click on redeem Bitcoin, and you will see that the amount has been deposited in that account. And so once the amount has been sent, you can just put in the destination Bitcoin address and then the amount, and then the application, like the Internet Computer Protocol, will convert it from CKBTC to Bitcoin and deposit it there. And yeah, so basically that is it about the Bitcoin and also the Internet Computer. And so right now, let's see how you can send transactions using the PMW manager on the Ethereum blockchain. So all you have to do is click on the Ethereum card, and you will be taken to this page whereby it shows you your primary Ethereum address, and that, as usual, that address you can use it to send and receive any ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. And so right now we have some Ethereum and the custom tokens that are created for this demo, and we shall just paste an Ethereum address, and then we shall send it some Ethereum, and then on the testnet network, and then we shall see if the transaction goes through or not. And I had around 0.05, and so I will send them an amount lower than that, so basically 0.01. And as you can see, you don't need a private key. From the beginning we have not used a private key anywhere, and as you can this is because the Internet Computer takes care of that. And yeah, so you don't have to worry about losing your private keys and stuff like that. And so the application is done, the transaction is done. Let's go and check it out from our address, and we load it, and you can see it was 40 seconds ago, the real transaction that we initiated from our account. And also you can view the transactions from the Ethereum name. So now that we've done the transaction on the Ethereum network, let's see how you can use PW Manager as a portfolio manager to manage your accounts and stuff like that. And so we shall use Ethereum. So here you can add an external wallet address. Maybe if you have an address from MetaMask or from any other EVM compatible wallet. So I will just call this, you just give it a nickname like airdrop account, and then paste the wallet there. And so what the application will do, it will synchronize all the assets that you have in this wallet, and then add all the totals and add it to your portfolio. And as you can see, if we go back to home, you will see that our Ethereum has increased, because now we are considering all the total from the two wallets that we have. And also when you click on the Ethereum card and then you go back to the wallet, you can just check it out and see the assets which are there, see the transactions, but you won't be able to send any of the assets because this is an external wallet that has been just imported without a private key, and so it can't work. So we can also do the same with the Internet Computer blockchain. Basically, you can add another address that you have maybe from other wallets, and the PMW manager will synchronize all the assets that you have, and then it will get the real-time prices and then calculates the total value in US dollars. And so you can see ICP airdrop, and then we just give it a dummy account, and then let's see how it saves. And once it has saved, you can go back and you'll see that if the wallet has assets, it will increase. And as you can see, our total value of CKBTC has increased because the new wallet that we added has some CKBTC, and the platform noted that, and it just adds it to the total value in your assets. And so you can see the CKBTC, but you won't be able to send any asset from this wallet because it's not a native asset address. And so that is it about PDM Manager, and thanks for the audience.